Hi friends, today is card 4 in our awesome card making series here. These are cards for every day. So the point of all of these cards is that you can use them for any reason, anytime, and we're using the Beautiful Thistle bundle. I think that's beautiful, and it's kind of one of those sets that you first look at and you're like, what is beautiful about a thistle? But I really think this is a beautiful set. So we're gonna use this bundle again today. And we're pairing it with one of the dies from this set, which is called Split Card Texture dies. So these are really fun dies to have in your arsenal because you can use them with so many different stamp sets and for so many different ideas. So we are going to cut this one for you out of your card kit, so it'll be ready for you to make. So I've got a piece of 4 1/4 by 11 inch cardstock. I folded in half to make an A2 top folding card at 5 1/2 inches. But your cardstock is going to be 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, just so you know. And then we've got our embellishments. These are free, so we'll get into that in just a second. All right, so we're going to start off with our card base, which is Coastal Cabana, and it is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. This will be included in your card kits. So if you're new, first of all, hello, my name is Wendy with Stampin', and we are going to be giving away card kits for anybody who places a $50 online order with me using the host code that I put up on the screen, and it's linked below the video. You can shop with me at shop.loveandstampin.com, and of course the links to everything are below the video. And you'll get all 5 card kits completely free, including these beautiful adhesive backed milky dots. Now, for clarification purposes, let me explain what will not be in the card kits, because I really need you to be clear on that and understand it. We do put this information, you know, we write it out, but I know nobody reads anything anymore. They just, you know, watch videos or look at photos, so it's okay. But we want to let you know that there will be no stamped images included in your card kits, and anything that requires cutting or coloring using the Beautiful Thistle bundle is not included. So like, we are not going to die cut the Beautiful Thistle flower for you to stamp and color. Does that make sense? I'll show you another card here in just a minute. So both of these pieces will be included in the card kit that you just saw me put down, along with the card bases and envelopes. We include those as well. You're going to get a little circle die cut like this. This is a stitched circle die. And we're just gonna add our Stampin' Dimensionals. So adhesives are not included in the kit. That is all on your own. We don't include adhesives. So that's gonna go right there like that. And then we have a little 2-inch circle punch. You could use dies. We're gonna provide this for you, so you don't have to worry about that. It will be in your kit. And I'm going to use this little thistle here. And we're just gonna grab a scrap over here, because we're gonna ink up in Coastal Cabana, and we're gonna stamp off once, twice, and then we're gonna stamp this on this little circle here. Oh, you know what? That's not quite dark enough for me. So we're gonna do this one more time. We'll stamp it once, and then we'll stamp off like so. Okay? So there's that. And then we're gonna grab our Night of Navy ink, and we're using the Thinking of You sentiment that is from the stamp set, the Beautiful Thistle stamp set. We're gonna stamp Thinking of You right over the top. And then we're gonna use Stampin' Dimensionals again to add this cute little piece to the card base. Okay, into the middle of this circle. Oh, I see I got a little smudge there of ink. Darn it. I must have had ink on something. All right, and then we have this little Coastal Cabana twine. We are going to include this in your card kit, not the whole roll. We're just gonna include a little piece for you to be able to tie a cute little bow. So I hate tying bows on camera, as I shared in, I think, day 2 of our card videos. So really quick, while I'm tying this bow and getting it ready to put on our card, I just want to share with you really quickly, you have just the 5-day range to place your order for these card kits. I want to make sure that I'm going to like this right here. I think it needs to be a little smaller. Okay. So, you get all 5 card kits free plus the pack of embellishments, and you only have the 5 days to place the $50 online order. That order does need to be, yeah, that's cute. The order does need to be $50 before tax and shipping, and you do have to use the special host code. Please, 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 please enter the host code, because if you don't, I get in trouble from Stampin' Up! For calling and adding it for you. So at some point, I'm gonna have to become mean and not allow people to get the card kits anymore if they don't use the host code. So if you're having trouble figuring out how to use the host code, please contact us before you place your order so that we can help you. We're always happy to help. I have a helper who checks my email regularly, as do I. So we will be able to help you. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add some embellishments. I was thinking about adding these blue ones, but you know, I'm just not because I'm boring and I just do the same thing over and over. And I just love these 2 right here. And this blue doesn't quite go with the Night of Navy. It's pretty darn close, but not quite. So let's see, we're gonna add just a couple more. I don't know if I want, where I want to add this. And then I'm gonna do one more because I have to have an odd number. I can't have even numbers. So there we got odd number of embellishments. All right. So this is card number 4. So let me show you the other cards just in case you have, this is your first day and you're just checking in. So this is card number 1. It's really cute. This is card number 2. I think this one's probably my favorite. It's beautiful. And then this was card number 3. Oh, I really like this one too. And then today is card number 4. So there is 4 of the 5 projects that we have for you, and you're gonna get a card kit for all of them, okay?